In this video, we will see another useful operation in the Stream API, that is partition by. So consider uh, consider how it is different from the grouping by operation. In case of grouping by operation, we pass a value by which we want to group by the collection, but that means in the resulting map, it will have the keys for all the distinct values. But maybe we have a different use case. Maybe we simply want a Boolean condition, separate this collection partitioned by a Boolean condition. That means if we rephrase the grouping by example, so instead of collecting the movies by their ratings, we say that we still want to collect the movies, but this time we have a very simple check, that is the movie has the rating 10. If not, then everything, all the movies which don't have the rating 10, they fall in the same category, but all the movies with rating 10, they fall into the other category. So we simply have two categories, true and false. We provide a condition, then all the matching values will be collected in the true category, and all the other values which don't match the predicate or which don't match the condition, they will be collected in the second category, false. So in the resulting hash map, we simply have two keys, true and false. Now how do we do that? Let's try to use that. So we say collectors dot partitioning by. So by default, the partitioning by accepts a predicate, the condition that will be used to split the data set. So we provide the predicate using the lambda function. We say that our condition is that the rating of the movie must be 10. So it means all the movies with rating 10 will be considered as true and they will be collected on the true key. But all the other movies with a rating non-10, it doesn't matter if it is 9 or 8 or anything, as long as it's not 10, they will be collected with the key false. It returns a map, and this time the key is Boolean. And the value is the list of the matching elements. So in this case, list of movies by rating. And if we print this thing on the console, so we see in the hash map or in the resulting map, we have a key false and we have a single entry because its rating is 9, not 10. And then we have another entry true, and it has two movies, LOTR and The Dark Knight, because they have the rating 10, so they passed the predicate. Okay, there is one more variant of the partitioning by, because by default it returns a map and it collects the values to a list. If we want to change that, then we can use another variant of the partitioning by, which takes the downstream collector. So let me copy it and we will change it. This time, let's say we want a set. So we will pass another collector, a downstream collectors, and we'll say collectors dot to set. That's it. And there will be no difference in the output, because we are actually seeing the output of the toString method. But the thing is, this time it's a set. So that's how we use the partitioning by. It simply splits the data set based on a predicate. See you in the next video. Thank you.